Panda AJ. Hey, this guy just did a 30-minute version of that on his live feed, so make sure you guys. And I'm using the classic hard Warden, all white, because that's what I like, and that's terrible. Why did I say?
This is how we'd rather Eric Oakley be in real life. If he could just be on mute, usually, that'd be amazing.
Tastes like mango! Oh, 30 minutes on the clock.
Okay. Eric.
But why you're recording it? If you don't want to put it up later, why are you recording it? But if you don't, well, why would you record it?
Lesson number 1, power slide.
What you watching?
It's just sliding on your knees. Is it?
You think next to the president? Do you think next to the president? No. No. Next to the president France, because once it goes, it's a foreign dominance. So who farted?
Seriously, who farted?
How many days have we been watching Netflix and YouTube for? Too many.
Sounds better inside my head.
Freaking De Niro definitely made the De Niro face in Goodfellas. We watched Goodfellas the other night. When Tina got drunk? When you were...
I don't know what you're talking about.
I can't find them back. I guess was found. Oh wow, I found that thing. Oh, cool. I found him. I found him. I didn't found him. Yeah, I found him. I gotta found him. No, but this says that he plays real good, what's it called, because he tries forehand really good, and he like sets out a whole 5, and he's just like, oh, I'm just gonna go forehand, and I'm gonna throw it on forehand, I'm just gonna throw it on forehand. He's like, oh, probably birdie, because he's really good at forehands. So you know he's gonna be working on forehand, but then you gotta change Conrad. He's like real good at throwing putters, but he's just gonna check out JK. He's gonna rip it, and it's gonna go real far, and it's gonna be really good. But there's other player that come out there with goal, and they don't even really know what he's gonna do. It's like, because like, oh man, I'm like left-handed, and I'm gonna play this course because I'm just
legitimately the same number.
It's legitimately the same number. We're gonna go make some videos.
And then eat pizza. And watch a movie.
go for back on Harzo. It's like, oh, you guys got Memorial, but we got Winthrop Gold because, you know, we don't want Memorial because Memorial is not good.
Okay, but do you think Paul Newberry passes? Do you think Paul Newberry passes? Do you think Paul Newberry passes step up in front yard?
Oh, totally passes step up from front yard. He's like.
I've thrown the pure, but then I threw the Warden, and the Warden was exactly what I was looking for. Use a Marshall. I started throwing in the middle of last year the classic blend Marshall. I am on team guard now. That's it, the D-line P2, and I have my putting felons, and I'm using the classic hard Warden. Team guard, baby. Don't listen to Robert. Putt Marshalls. They're better than Wardens. White Wardens, the guard, and the Marshall, the Warden, the Marshall, the Warden, and a Marshall. Lucid Marshalls, but some white classic hard Wardens. Really good chance that somebody else in the race also use it. So they have a system that we use. There's a bunch of different systems here. Slash hole, which is random. You have DKP or EG or something like points, gear points, something like that, EPGP. No stamp! No stamp! Oh, wait. It's a friendly ghost. Call this one Casper.
Turn it. There we go. Those are so cool.
Hey, it's AJ. We're playing 21. We got 3 putters. I'm gonna putt from 10 meters. Every made putt is worth 3 points. If you hit the chains and it misses, that's worth 2. If you hit the band or the cage, that's worth 1. And hitting the pole or the base is worth -1.
It's probably a little more accurate for Anthony. Oh!
Bobby!
How do I keep it?
Okay, but what about
Pump above just doesn't even count.
But
It's just he's out there, he's just throwing the dudes. He's like, oh, it's just so sick. I got my dog. It's really fun, and you know, no, it's gonna go hit out Bro Smith and stuff like that because he's like super cool. He's like, oh, I'm gonna make a video. I'm gonna be like, oh, Bro Smith, can you do this? And Bro Smith is like, yeah, man, I can do that. It's easy, and it just does it because they're like super good and they're like best friends.
Look what we got from Amazon today. How exciting.